Alright, winding a bobbin for this Elna Air Electronic SU. There's a hand wheel clutch on the end of the machine, and then there's two spool pins. It does twin needle thread, but it's got the hole as an extra thread guide for when you're using a spool stand behind the machine, or if you've got a spool that likes to spin too much because you're sewing too fast. If you use this thread guide, it helps keep the spool from spinning off the top of the pin. So, but you can start with any spool pin and then come out and around the tensioner here. And we'll go over to the bobbin. And Elna bobbins are a they've got a solid bottom and holes on the top there. So, spool pin out around the tension discs with the foot up, and then onto the bobbin here. And then the winder snaps into place. Alright, to thread this machine, again, either spool pin. It does support twin needle sewing. There is a divider here on the tensioner. So if you're twin needle sewing, make sure you get a thread on either side of the divider. But just like for winding the bobbin, you come out around the tensioner, and then it's got a hook at the top here, and the thread comes around the hook out here under the take-up spring here on the front, up through the take-up arm into this guide here, and then we need to put our needle in. The needle is going to go with the flat facing to the rear. And once we're in, there's a thread guide on the needle bar clamp, and our needle is going to thread from the front to the back. Front to the back. Alright. The bobbin on these Elnas goes behind here, so the nice thing about the Elna bobbin is with the flat bottom and the holes in the top, you always know which way up it goes, so you always drop it in with the holes facing up, and then the hook is around the back side of the bobbin, and then you pull the thread around and across like so. Now, with our door shut and holding our top tail,